Welcome! In this video I will show you how to log in to your personal account at LuxHosting.lu. Start at our home page and click the mannequin symbol in the upper right corner. Now enter your email address and password that was used for the registration. This brings you to your client area. Under Services, you can access your cPanel, webmail, and make adjustments to your billing plan. To register or transfer domains and manage name servers, go to Domains. Under Tickets, you can create, view, and respond to existing support tickets. And to view invoices for the services you have purchased, click on Invoices. Thank you for watching. For more useful tips, check out our channel.